Okay, here we have Mario working on his Gumby with a beautiful effort here. We have Rohan nailing not one, but his first triple muscle up. Jacob working on his handstand push-up sticky point. For those who know, this is a tough one. We have Roop, mid-40s, no previous microbatics experience, doing a wonderful job here. Really lovely, really fluid. It's great because he came to us with a slight issue with his leg, with his knee actually, and he's doing a great job there. We have Maeva working on her shoulder strength and confidence in the handstand. We have Kuba also working on his handstand entries. We have John doing a stellar job working on his horizontal pushing strength for his shoulder press dreams. We have Conrad here working on his hip mobility. He's a top level climber, so this is very important for him. Kuba once more working on his straight arm strength for the full front lever. Very close, and of course we have the ever inspiring Roxanne, 8 months pregnant.